All right, this is Taylor Wells and
Ebraheem Alhendi.
and this is we're lab group number 6, and this is lab 2, and this part 1. So we're generating a square wave, and this is our setup. We have our stuff like our pin out, or pin 18 is our out, pin 20 is our V out, and this is our code for our square wave. And we just kind of modified our blinky light code to get it. And this is what this oscilloscope shows. Okay, this is our part 2 of lab 2. We generated a square sawtooth wave. Right here is our code for that square sawtooth wave. We got it from the book. And then this is how our setup is, just simple. And then this is what our waveform looks like. Okay, this is our triangular wave. We still have the same setup as before. This is our code that we basically took the code from the sawtooth wave and just added this other for loop to the bottom of it and just have it go back down. And we also, this is from the book then. And then this is what our waveform looked like. All right, this is part 4 of our lab 2. We generated a sine wave. Here is the code for our sine wave. We got this code also from the book. We got from page 64, as it says right there. And same setup as always. And then this is what our sine wave looks like on the oscilloscope. All right, this is part 2 of lab 2, like with the potentiometer. Even though on this we just used a DC voltage because Dr. Kanabutra said we could. So here is our code for our potentiometer. We made it so that our LED lights will light up at a certain voltage, and there's a print statement that the computer will print out that voltage as well. So here's all of our code and everything. And some of this code, like the print stuff, we got from the notes with this little bit about potentiometer and a printing. And this is our setup. And so we're gonna turn our DC voltage on to 1 whole volt. Is this one right? And then there's 1 volt. And our first light pops on, and on our computer we are showing 1 volt, and then we're gonna go to 2 volts. Our second light pops up. We are showing 2 volts on our computer screen as well. Then we're gonna go to 3 volts. Our third light pops on, and we are showing 3 volts on our serial port. And then if we go to 3.5, or we actually went up to 4 right there, but yeah, they'll show all 4 of them are on.
Yeah, it's
and we're showing
3.3
on our console. Okay.